What if the most valuable asset in your real estate portfolio wasn't land, but the atmospheric charge above it? What if we could peel back the caps of the industrial era and retrofit every multifamily property with modern, sovereign energy nodes? Imagine a residential building that doesn't just provide a roof, but provides a limitless, restorative power supply that doesn't care about the price of oil. This is the vision driving Mirror Point Capital. We are moving beyond the traditional landlord-tenant model and into a new era of structural integrity. We are looking for innovators who are building the hardware for this new renaissance. Actual tech that harnesses ambient energy, not just another app that disrupts the way you order a sandwich. By scaling this through the Enduring Dignity Endowment, we are creating a world where housing is no longer a cost center. If we can restore the ghost earth, we can restore the human spirit. We are looking for operators who understand that when you provide a resident with free, restorative energy, you aren't just stabilizing an asset, you are making a grid irrelevant. What if your investment didn't just pay dividends in currency, but in total restoration of the living? It turns out the gilded way of life isn't just about the past. It's about the future we stop paying for. Things the earth gives us for free. It's about a future where we stop paying for things the earth gives us for free. Welcome to the archives.